Okay, today we're talking about troubleshooting a relay. So this is a relay that I had to troubleshoot. It is on an electric duct heater, and I'll show you some of the common ways you can tell if a relay is bad. So this is a Honeywell R4228D1009. You can see the ratings on the sticker. It's important when you're replacing a relay to make sure the coil rating is correct and the contact rating is correct. And if it's single pole, double pole, single throw, double throw, etc. So if you look, these terminals are burnt here and here. That's one sign that a relay could be bad. If you see burnt or melting, you hear that rattling noise? So the contacts inside have got melted off or broken off. So that's why I wasn't getting 480 volts coming out of the output terminals. Had 480 volts going the input, but not on the output. So when you energize the coil, you should have voltage coming in one side of the relay and out the other. And you can see what terminals are normally closed and normally open if you look at the symbols on the front of your relay. And this is an older relay, so here is the updated part number for this particular relay if you're replacing it, or if your relay is any one of these Honeywell part numbers, this part number will replace or supersede that part number. I hope this video helps you. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing, like the video. Helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more people with their facilities maintenance and repair tasks. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.